As you can see, this channel, with just 213 videos, has managed to gain 4 million subscribers and earn between $82,000 and $245,000 per month with videos that get millions of views, all by simply posting Roblox videos. This second channel has surpassed 6 million subscribers with only 302 videos and has generated $500,000 this past month. Yes, you understood. This niche is a money-making machine. Why are these niches good? Firstly, because Roblox is a very popular game with a very active audience on YouTube. Secondly, the content is in English, which attracts people in countries with a very high RPM, like Canada, the USA, and the UK. So today, I will show you how you can create a high-quality Roblox video like this and get over $10,000 per month, and of course, completely free in just 5 steps. Analyze other content. Just go to YouTube, search for Roblox content. Go to the short part and take 10 popular video and see why those video are very popular. Then try to create the link between its video. In my example, it contains captions, music, and a simple idea. Now I know what a good Roblox short should look like. Now all that's left is to find some content. If you're already a Roblox player, great, you can use your own content. If not, don't panic. Just go to YouTube and search for Roblox gameplay. You'll find plenty of results. Just be careful that the video doesn't contain captions. For example, this one seems obvious, so you can download it. Now, we need to find a God script for our video. Open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. You can find all prompts I used in all my video in my Discord channel. The link is in the description. Now, copy the text that ChatGPT provided, go to 11 Labs, paste the text to generate a voiceover.
I got a phone call from my mom, but she died 3 years ago. I froze when I heard her voice. She whispered, "Don't open the door." At that exact moment, someone knocked.
Once the generated voice is downloaded, now you need to edit your video. Open CapCut and import the Roblox video that you downloaded at the beginning. Add the voiceover generated by 11 Labs and also any music of your choice. Bring the video back into the timeline and you can start your edit. Firstly, we are going to adjust the video size so that it adapts to the short YouTube format. We are also going to reduce the sound of the original video because we are going to add our own voiceover. After cutting the video so that it does not exceed 30 seconds, after that we can add a small effect at the beginning and a fade out at the end. We then add our music, have reduced the song so that it does not spoil the voiceover, then we can add the caption. Once the caption is generated, we choose a template corresponding to our video. If you have CapCut Pro, there are many very interesting templates, otherwise there are free templates. Now have exported the video.
I got a phone call from my mom, but she died 3 years ago. I froze when I heard her voice. She whispered, "Don't open the door." At that exact moment, someone knocked. Slow, calm, confident. I checked my phone again. The call was still active. Then my mom said, "I'm not calling you. I'm inside your house." The knocking stopped, and the door handle just started turning.
Now that we've finished the first 4 production steps, we move on to the export stage. This is the most important step, and we need to be very careful. Most creators, once their video is ready, hesitate and post it directly to YouTube, checking it every 5 minutes. But their video doesn't take off. It gets stuck at around 10 views. They get discouraged and stop posting. We're going to avoid this mistake. First, after exporting our video, we open a Word document. This example is available on my Discord server. You fill in the title of the short, a highly optimized title that makes people want to click. We fill in the description with sentences that describe the content of our short. And finally, we add a maximum of 3 hashtags to avoid spamming the algorithm. Now we can post our video and leave it for 24 hours to see the results, as you can see below. In 24 hours, our short video reached 20,000 views with a 56% engagement rate, which is very good for a 30-second video. Finally, I've given you the 5 keys that will allow you to succeed on YouTube with Roblox content. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything. And if you want to know how to create a new channel from A to Z and monetize it in a short time, you can click on this video right here.